How to create a pain-free workspace. Ergonomic tips. Creating a pain-free workspace is essential for maintaining both comfort and productivity, especially for those who spend long hours sitting at a desk. Poor ergonomics can lead to a range of physical issues, including neck and back pain, eye strain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and general fatigue. Fortunately, with some thoughtful 1. Choose the right chair. Start with a chair that offers good lumbar support. Your chair should support the natural curve of your spine, especially your lower back. Adjustable features are a must. Height, backrest, tilt, and armrests should all be customizable. When sitting, your feet should rest flat on the floor or on a footrest, and your knees should be level with or slightly lower than your hips. 2. Optimize desk and monitor height. Your desk and monitor setup should encourage a neutral posture. Your monitor should be at eye level or just below, about an arm's length away. This helps reduce neck and eye strain. If you work with dual monitors, keep the primary one directly in front of you, and position the secondary monitors so you don't need to twist your neck often. 3. Position your keyboard and mouse correctly. Your keyboard and mouse should be positioned so your elbows remain close to your body and form an angle between 90 and 110 degrees. Your wrists should stay straight and not rest on the desk while typing. Consider using a wrist rest or an ergonomic keyboard to reduce strain. Also, ensure your mouse is easy to reach and move without stretching. 4. Manage lighting and reduce glare. Good lighting is crucial to avoid eye strain. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, use a combination of ambient and task lighting. Position your monitor to minimize glare from windows or overhead lights. An anti-glare screen or monitor hood can also help. 5. Take breaks and move regularly. Even with the perfect ergonomic setup, sitting for long periods can still lead to discomfort. Aim to take short breaks every 30 minutes. Stand, stretch, or take a quick walk to keep your circulation going and muscles relaxed. Incorporating standing desks or sit-stand converters can also help you alternate positions throughout the day. 6. Keep essentials within reach. Keep frequently used items like your phone, notepad, or documents within easy reach to avoid excessive twisting or stretching. Use a headset if you're often on the phone, especially if you multitask while speaking. 7. Personalize your setup. Everyone's body is different, so your ergonomic setup should be tailored to your needs. Small adjustments, like using a footrest, adjusting monitor brightness, or adding lumbar cushions, can make a big difference. By taking the time to assess and adjust your workspace, you can prevent many of the physical strains associated with desk jobs. Ergonomics isn't just about comfort, it's about long-term health and productivity. Make these changes today, and your body will thank you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.